Hey guys, Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with an HO scale rolling stock update. I've been going through some of my rolling stock and I've actually reinstated a few pieces, and I'd like to go over those with you now. Obviously, the Herald King, as y'all saw as the rebuild video of this car is in really good shape after giving the wheels a good clean and some brand new Bachmann couplers. So that has been reinstated. The Norfolk Southern boxcar is at and ready to roll. And the Santa Fe and Western Maryland Bachmann Silver Series rolling stock, those two have been reinstated. My Southern PS2 hopper by Atlas, part of the Trainman line, that car has been reinstated after doing some testing with these. And the Western Maryland Tag Chesney System PS2 hopper by Athearn ready to roll was repaired with some brand new couplers, and that has been put back into service. So these 6 pieces of rolling stock have all been put back into service after undergoing some tests. And now this little freight station by Bachmann that was actually my dad's, I actually added a light to it. There was a light off of another accessory that I took off and just put it in there and hooked it up to this old Tyco transformer. And it lights up pretty darn well. So that was a pretty cool little 5-minute project. Just put it in, took 2 pieces of electrical tape, and she was good to go. So that's going to be lighting up a layout really soon. I've also found some other products that I have too. The City of Prineville Railway, this looks to be an Athearn Blue Box. The Chesney System boxcar is an Athearn Blue Box. Those are having weight issues. I'm currently working on those. The Model Power Operation Lifesaver tank car is going to get overhauled with new couplers. And the Southern boxcar I've had since I was in high school, I got it from a train show years ago. That's got a couple of issues to it that I'm getting ready to resolve as well. So the HO side of things has been very busy just finding products that need to be done. So I just thought I would just take this time to show you the rolling stock portion of this. And of course, the NS911 is on the track right now, and a review will be coming out soon on that. So definitely be on the lookout for this coming up soon. So that's pretty much the HO scale update. The O gauge part hasn't really changed much, just keeping those running. I'll be doing a running session really soon with them, so be on the lookout for that. So anyway, guys, just remember, smash the like button, drop a comment down below, and subscribe. Tap the notification bell where you get all the latest updates. Lots of good stuff coming up soon, and I will see you guys on the next run. Take care, and may God bless.